Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maisha LeVay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this beautiful natural curly hairstyle. This is my first time ever wearing curly hair, and also my first time ever wearing clip-ins. Don't tell nobody. But this video is going to be very exciting because I never did this before. This hair was provided to me by Betterlength hair, so I will have all of their information in the description box, so check it out. Before we get started, I just want to say that my hair blends so well with these clip-ins, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Y'all already know it's about to be lit. I can't hype this hairstyle up any more than it already looks. So let's get into it. This is the hair that I received. It comes in a bag like this. This is from Betterlength hair. And on their bag it says hair for black women. I like it. So within the package it comes with extra clips and a needle and thread just in case you want to add more. So it also has this guide for installation and maintenance and care for the hair. Oh, they wrote me a note. It says, "To dear Maisha." It's cute. Oh, it's a thank you card. "Dear Maisha, wish you have a nice day. I'm so glad to work with you. Can't wait to see you rocking them. Keep me updated. Thank you, Bella." Thank you, Bella. And these are our hair extensions. Ooh, I'm so excited. It feels so good. It's so soft. I don't know, Betterlength, I don't know. So I'm gonna sit these aside before we actually start because I need to prep my hair. So y'all, I tried to do this video on yesterday. That's why my hair is like this. And I just ended up putting it in a ponytail because I was tired and I just could not get this video out. So I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning of this video, these are clip-in extensions. I have to braid my hair down. You can put the clip-ins throughout your hair. I'm not gonna do that because my hair is like very, very thick and it's gonna be like this. So I'm not gonna do that. But you can. So since I always do a middle part, today I'm gonna do a side part. So I didn't co-wash this hair, but I recommend if you get some curly hair, go ahead and co-wash it before installing it. I didn't do that because I don't want to install it wet. And I'm already going to get messy. That's why I got on my boyfriend t-shirt. So what you do is you open all of the clips. So you just pop them out. So again, you want to go ahead and open all of your combs. And since I'm doing the side part, I'm going to start over here and then finish right here. This is a very exciting video for me because I've never worn clip-ins before, and I've also never worn curly hair. I really love the fact that these are clip-ins so that if you mess up, you can really easily fix what you messed up. Because now that I see like over here, I kind of didn't you know, leave enough room to add some clip-ins over here. So I'm gonna have to take a couple tracks down and readjust my placement. But this is so much easier since they just clip on and clip off.
Baby, I feel it. I know you feel it too. Baby, I want it. I know you want it too.
I only have one more left. And I'm trying to get it up here. Because it's like a little gap right here. So I'm finally done inserting all of the clip-ins. Now this is what I didn't want, all of this, you know, puffiness. So hopefully I can try to tame all of this frizz. So yeah, we're gonna work with the weave first, and then we'll work with the real hair. I'm gonna do this in sections, because this is a lot of hair. I have my spray bottle with some water in it. Now this is why I wore my boyfriend's shirt. I'd rather get his clothes dirty than mine. Sorry, babe. So y'all decided to make this a talk through video instead of a voiceover, because I kind of want my videos to be a little bit more personal. Comment down below and let me know if you have a preference. Do you want to see more talk through videos, or you prefer voiceovers, or you just don't care, just long as I post videos? Y'all feedback is very, very valuable because I make videos for y'all. So I really want to know what y'all want to see. Okay, I have a little bit of shedding. It's not much, but it's something. I might as well should have just co-washed the hair. Y'all gotta give me a break because I never worked with curly hair extensions before, so I don't know. Give me some tips on how I can maintain this hair and with the curl pattern. I really love the wet look, but I know that it's not gonna stay like this. This look like my hair. I'm convinced. This ain't no weave, sis. This mine, period. Y'all, I'm just playing with this one piece of hair. I should have been moved on. So I'm put some of this Cantu coconut curling cream. Make sure you get it on the ends, because one thing I do know about curling hair, you gotta make sure those ends are moisturized. Y'all see my braid peeking through. I'm like, what is this? I thought this was the hair. I was finna say, okay, Betterlength. This feels a little bit rough. But it was just my braid coming down. Because that was about to say, Well, it is shedding a little bit, but it's not much. I think that's why they tell you to co-wash the hair before putting it in, so you can, get all of that out. So just co-wash the hair before you put it in your hair. This sounds so good, y'all. ASMR up in this joint, okay? Honestly, y'all should go ahead and follow me on my social media, because if this is some good hair, you guys to know that I'm going to continue to wear it, and I'm going to update y'all on how it's going. So go ahead and follow me on my social media. It will be listed right here. Y'all really should have washed this hair before I put it in, because it would have made this so much easier. I just pray my real hair acts right, because that's what's gonna make or break this look. So my hair is like a ashy brown looking color. Hopefully this blends very, very well. hardest part of this hairstyle was twisting my hair with the extensions. Lord, that took a long time. So I'm gonna take some olive oil, some serum, put it on there. I really should have been did this, but I wasn't thinking, so we learn as we go. I've never had curly hair before, so we're really just gonna see how this turns out. Let me know what y'all think so far before I give y'all the finished results of it being dry. And also I have to take my twist down so we can see if that actually helps to blend in with this curl pattern. So y'all, I'm like low key pleased with this hair. Y'all, it's dry. It's dry. I don't know. I've never had curly hair, so I don't have anything to compare it to. But, oh, I don't know. I love it. I love it. Make sure that you do not comb through your real hair, because if your hair is anything like mine, it's gonna make it frizzy. So you want to try to tame that frizz as much as you can. So the way that you take it down, you're just gonna unravel it the way that you twisted it, and like keep these pieces as they are. So don't try to like put your finger through it, because it's gonna make it frizzy. What do you do to blend your hair with your extensions? Comment down below and let me know what you guys do when y'all have y'all curly hair. What y'all think so far? I mean, like, are you quiet, sis? What's going on? Let me know. So all of the twists are down and I am pleased. I promise I am. I don't know, what y'all think? I'm gonna have to get used to this curly look, but overall, I love it. It looks so natural. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So just let me know what y'all wanna see next. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is myishaleve_. If you guys decide to recreate this look, tag me in your pictures and your videos and I will repost them. Don't forget to check the description box for the coupon code for this hair. Thank you, Betterlength, for sponsoring this video and providing me with this beautiful, beautiful curly hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I can't wait for you to put your hands on me.